When should I see a doctor about gasping for air during sleep? Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night, gasping for air? This experience can be alarming and might leave you wondering if it's time to see a doctor. Gasping for air during sleep is often linked to sleep apnea, a condition where your breathing is interrupted while you rest. This interruption can happen when your airway is blocked, causing you to wake up suddenly as your body tries to breathe normally again. So, when should you seek medical help? First, consider how often you experience these episodes. If waking up gasping for air happens frequently, it could signal a serious issue that needs attention. Occasional gasping might not be as concerning, but regular occurrences should not be ignored. Next, think about any other symptoms you may have. Loud snoring, feeling excessively tired during the day, waking up with headaches, or having trouble focusing can all be signs of sleep apnea or other breathing problems. If you notice these symptoms alongside gasping for air, it's wise to consult a healthcare professional. Additionally, pay attention to the severity of your symptoms. If your gasping is accompanied by chest pain, dizziness, or a racing heart, do not hesitate to seek immediate medical assistance. These could be indicators of a more serious health issue that requires urgent care. Another important factor is how these nighttime breathing issues affect your daily life. If you find that your sleep problems are making you feel overly sleepy during the day or impacting your mood, it is essential to talk to a doctor. Quality sleep is vital for overall health and well-being. If you decide to see a doctor, they may refer you to a sleep specialist. This expert will likely ask you detailed questions about your symptoms and may recommend a sleep study. This test monitors your breathing and sleep patterns to help identify any underlying conditions. Once a diagnosis is made, treatment options can be tailored to your needs. For sleep apnea, common treatments include continuous positive airway pressure therapy, oral appliances, or lifestyle changes like weight loss or adjusting your sleeping position. Waking up gasping for air during sleep is not something to overlook. If it happens often or is accompanied by other troubling symptoms, consulting a healthcare provider is essential. Taking action can lead to better sleep quality and improved health.